tutorial is for selecting and removing multiple surfaces or gaps for removal. The Removal tool helps you remove geometry without the need to alter feature history or redefine any other number of features. For this demonstration, I want to use the Remove feature to remove parts of these rounds. The first step is to select all the rounds. Now that all the rounds are selected, I want to click on the Editing tab and then click Remove. As of right now, the Remove feature wants to remove every single part of the rounds, but I want to keep these quarter rounds intact. So to do that, I'm going to click Options and then click in the Exclude Contour box and select the parts of the rounds I want to keep. Now I can press OK, and you'll see that the Remove tool was able to delete the other rounds but keep the other rounds there. I was able to change the feature without being forced to redefine the feature or alter any feature history.